Video 11 Conclusion. We live in the digital age, where technology advances by leaps and bounds, where one day something may be part of a trend, and a new one overtakes the next day. The new rules created by this digital evolution seem to be here to stay, but this is not something that can be predicted because 2 or 3 decades ago, nobody would have imagined that television, radio, and traditional advertising would become obsolete. However, as long as the opportunity exists, it must be used to the full. There are already millions of brands that every day decide to work together with the influencers, who make life in the many social networks that exist. Many even make it their profession and their full-time job because they can take it very seriously and work tirelessly to generate numerous profits. And although social networks have led us to digital transcendence, the primary purpose of these will always be to be more social. It's all about humans interacting with other humans. You must take into account that if you want to become an influencer, you must prepare yourself because technology advances and you don't want to be left behind. It doesn't matter if you are a celebrity, an influencer, or a micro-influencer. The goal will always be the same: to grow and offer brands the many advantages of influencer marketing by working with you and thus boosting their sales while increasing their reach and exposure. In influencer marketing, however, it is not the quantity but the percentage of interaction, engagement, that your publications generate that is important. Get your values right, find something you like, identify a good niche for yourself, find your audience and create content for them. Also, define your objectives, be very clear about what you want to achieve because it will help you not to deviate from your long-term goal. Do not work without a strategy. Influencer marketing is a surprisingly effective technique that, even though it remains a mystery for a considerable portion of the market and can be undoubtedly risky, those who have decided to take the risks have succeeded in terms of earning money, reputation and conversion. Therefore, if you want to awaken their interest, a strategy that leads you to achieve your short, long and medium-term objectives will be the key to your success. Be honest and forthright with the brands. One of the main advantages of this method is that unlike in traditional marketing, you have leverage to negotiate directly with the brands how the campaign is going to be made. Brands will trust your expertise in your area of influence, because as an opinion leader in a niche, who's better than you to determine how to reach your community? Such negotiations generally result in win-win strategies that will grant you more attention from the brands and earn you more money and success. And finally, put love and passion into what you do. It is not worth doing something just because it is a trend or because you want to make money. The secret of many YouTubers, Instagrammers and even TikTokers who have achieved fame today is that they have fun. They do not make videos for work, they do it because they find it fun. It is an activity they enjoy doing. Find a job you like, and you won't have to work a single day in your life.